Hello guys, for today we will unbox a DELL docking station. So this is not the Thunderbolt one, so it's a universal dock for home and office supports and supports AVD displays, triple video output. So here we have one HDMI, actually two HDMI, two USBs, one display port, here an audio line in. This is for power, and let's see what we have in the box. So in the box we have the display port. Here we have triple USB 2.0. Here is the power LED. Here is for headset. On the other, so this is the power adapter. This is the connecting USB to the PC or laptop. We have here an display port to HDMIs. Here we have an Ethernet port and another two USB plus. Here I think that we have an exit for a speaker. So let's see whatever do we have in the box. For sure, in the box we have here it says that we need to install the drivers. Okay, I got this. Here we have, I don't know what we have here, the USB cable that will link the PC to this. Okay, I'll take this out of the way, and we also have the power adapter here. So the power adapter, as I said, is not it's for it's 65 watts, and is not the one with Thunderbolt connection. So yeah, this is the power. It's a pretty good one. The power is separate, power cable is separate. It have here the connection, and it's pretty good till now. So here I'm planning to use this for my laptop G15, sorry, because I'm planning to expand his 3 USB 3.0 into many. So thank you for watching this unboxing. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. If you want to see more of these unboxing, please comment in the comment. If you like it, please like. If you don't like it, please also dislike, and say, I want to see there in the comments your likes or dislikes for this unbox.